Hello everyone, and welcome back to Home Remedy Rescue, where we share the latest information on natural remedies and healthy living. We appreciate your viewership, and we hope you find value and enjoyment in this video. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on our newest videos. Today, we're going to talk about natural home remedies to promote a good night's sleep. Lack of enough sleep or good, restful sleep can have a long list of negative health effects. In this video, we will discuss how to make some tried and true home remedies to help with sleep and why they work. Be sure to watch up to the 4th and 5th home remedies, some of the most effective we could find. You won't want to miss out. Before we delve into these delicious home remedies for getting a good night's sleep, we invite you to explore the link in the description for one of our top recommendations to enhance your overall health, quality of life, and happiness. Now, let's get started. Our first sleep aid is the California poppy. The California poppy, Eschscholzia californica, is the state flower of California, but it's also found elsewhere in North America. It's known for its bright orange and yellow flowers, which bloom in the spring and summer. In traditional medicine, especially among Native American communities, the California poppy has been used as a sedative and analgesic. Its sedative properties have led to its use as a sleep aid in many herbal remedies. The plant contains a variety of alkaloids, some of which have been found to have mild sedative and anti-anxiety effects. The plant is typically prepared as a tea, tincture, or extract for these purposes. It's generally considered safe for most adults when used in moderation, but as with any herbal remedy, it can potentially cause side effects, especially if taken in large quantities or for an extended period of time. Possible side effects can include drowsiness, lethargy, or a decrease in cognitive function. There is a limited body of scientific research on the effects of the California poppy. Rigorous clinical trials have not yet fully supported many of its traditional uses. However, some preliminary studies and traditional uses suggest the potential of the California poppy in several areas. Anxiety and insomnia. The plant's sedative and anxiolytic, anxiety-reducing effects are among its most common traditional uses, and some preliminary research supports these effects. Alkaloids present in California poppy, such as californidine and eschscholzine, have been shown to exert sedative and anxiolytic effects in animal studies. However, further research is required to confirm these effects in humans. Pain relief. Some studies suggest that the California poppy has analgesic, pain-relieving properties. It's traditionally been used to treat toothaches, headaches, and other forms of pain. Neuroprotective effects. Some of the alkaloids present in California poppy have demonstrated neuroprotective effects in laboratory studies. This could potentially be beneficial in conditions that involve damage to the nervous system, though this is still a speculative application, and much more research would be needed. It's crucial to keep in mind that while these potential uses seem promising, there isn't yet a substantial body of scientific evidence to back them up. More research is needed to understand the full range of potential benefits and risks associated with California poppy. California poppy is generally considered safe for short-term use, but its long-term safety has not been well studied. It may be best to consult a healthcare provider before use. You can find California poppy in health food stores and online. California poppy can be prepared as a tea, which is one of the most common ways to consume it for sleep support. Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients: 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried California poppy leaves or flowers, 1 cup of boiling water, honey, lemon, or mint to taste. Instructions: 1. Place the dried California poppy in a teacup or teapot. 2. Pour the boiling water over the dried plant material. 3. Let the tea steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. 4. Strain the tea to remove the plant material. 5. If desired, you can add honey, lemon, or mint to taste. 6. Drink the tea about 30 minutes before going to bed. How it works. The active compounds in California poppy, such as californidine caffeine, and eshzoltzine are thought to have sedative and anxiolytic effects, which can help promote relaxation and sleep. Honey, if used, can add a soothing sweetness to the tea, and some believe that it can further help with sleep due to its sugar content, which can have a mild sedative effect. Lemon adds a refreshing flavor and is also a good source of vitamin C. Mint is commonly used in herbal teas for its refreshing flavor and potential digestive benefits. It's a good idea to take breaks from using this tea and not rely on it as a primary method for managing sleep issues. If sleep problems persist, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider. California poppy can potentially interact with sedatives, also known as CNS depressants, due to its own sedative effects. Combining it with other sedative substances could potentially enhance this effect and lead to excessive sleepiness or drowsiness. These sedative substances could include prescription medications for anxiety or sleep disorders, as well as over-the-counter sleep aids and some other herbal remedies. In addition, California poppy might slow down the central nervous system. Taking California poppy along with anesthesia and other medications used during and after surgery might slow the central nervous system too much. Therefore, it's generally recommended to stop taking California poppy at least 2 weeks before a scheduled surgery. California poppy might also affect the liver's ability to break down some medications, potentially changing the levels of these drugs in the blood. This could, theoretically, impact medications such as antifungal drugs, antihistamines, anti-seizure drugs, and many others. Our second natural home remedy sleep aid is moon milk. Moon milk is a popular, soothing beverage often consumed before bedtime to promote relaxation and sleep. It is based on the ancient Ayurvedic tradition and is said to have calming and stress-relieving properties. While there is no single recipe for moon milk, the typical base ingredients include warm milk and a blend of spices, herbs, and sweeteners. People often customize moon milk to suit their taste preferences and wellness goals. Here's a basic recipe for making moon milk. Ingredients: 1 cup of milk, dairy or plant-based for lactose intolerance, such as almond, soy, or coconut milk, half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, or half teaspoon of grated fresh ginger, a pinch of ground nutmeg or cardamom, 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup, optional for sweetness, half teaspoon of coconut oil or ghee, optional for added creaminess. Instructions: 1. In a small saucepan, heat the milk over low heat until it's warm but not boiling. 2. Add the cinnamon, turmeric, ginger, and nutmeg or cardamom to the saucepan. Whisk the mixture to combine the spices thoroughly. 3. If desired, stir in honey or maple syrup for sweetness and coconut oil or ghee for creaminess. 4. Continue to heat the mixture over low heat, whisking occasionally to ensure the spices are well blended. 5. Once the milk reaches your desired temperature, remove the saucepan from the heat. 6. Carefully pour the moon milk into a mug and enjoy immediately. You can also add other ingredients, such as lavender, for added relaxation benefits. However, be sure to research any herbs or supplements before adding them to your moon milk, and consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns or questions. Our third natural sleep aid is called the Cherry Dream Elixir, a soothing bedtime drink designed to promote deep, restful sleep. It is a combination of tart cherry juice, chamomile tea, honey, and a pinch of nutmeg that creates a comforting and delicious beverage that works synergistically to encourage relaxation and sleep. Ingredients: 1 cup of tart cherry juice, 1 cup of brewed chamomile tea, 1 tablespoon of honey, or to taste, a pinch of nutmeg. Instructions: 1. Brew a cup of chamomile tea according to the package instructions and let it steep for about 5 minutes. 2. While the tea is steeping, warm the tart cherry juice in a saucepan over low heat. Be careful not to let it boil. 3. Remove the chamomile tea bag and combine the brewed tea with the warmed tart cherry juice in a mug. 4. Stir in the honey until it dissolves completely. 5. Add a pinch of nutmeg and stir gently to combine. 6. Sip the Cherry Dream Elixir slowly and enjoy about 30 minutes before bedtime. Why it works. Tart cherries are a natural source of melatonin, which is responsible for regulating sleep-wake cycles. The juice can help improve sleep quality and duration. Chamomile is a popular herbal tea known for its calming and relaxing properties. It contains apigenin, a compound that may help reduce anxiety and promote sleep. Honey adds a touch of natural sweetness to the drink, making it more enjoyable. Additionally, honey may help stabilize blood sugar levels during the night, supporting uninterrupted sleep. Nutmeg contains a compound called myristicin, which has mild sedative properties that can help promote relaxation and restful sleep. By combining these ingredients, the Cherry Dream Elixir works to create a relaxing and sleep-promoting beverage. The ingredients work together to encourage a sense of calm, stabilize blood sugar, and provide melatonin to support healthy sleep patterns. As individual responses may vary, it's essential to consider any allergies or sensitivities before trying this recipe. If sleep issues persist, consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Before we delve into the 4th and 5th delicious home remedies for getting a good night's sleep, we invite you to explore the link in the description for one of our top recommendations to enhance your overall health, quality of life, and happiness. Now, let's get started. Introducing the Golden Slumber Latte, a delectable sleep-inducing beverage that combines ingredients for a deep, restful sleep. The blend of warm milk, turmeric, ginger, honey, cinnamon, and lavender creates a soothing and flavorful beverage that encourages relaxation and healthy sleep. Ingredients: 2 cups of milk, dairy or plant-based for lactose intolerance, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, half teaspoon of ground ginger, half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of honey or to taste, 1 teaspoon of dried lavender flowers or 1 to 2 drops of lavender essential oil, food grade, a pinch of black pepper, optional, to increase turmeric absorption. Instructions: 1. In a small saucepan, combine the milk, turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the pan or forming lumps. 2. Once the milk is warm and the spices have blended well, add the honey and stir until it dissolves completely. 3. Add the dried lavender flowers or lavender essential oil to the saucepan and stir gently to combine. 4. Let the mixture simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes to infuse the flavors. 5. If using black pepper, add a pinch and stir to combine. 6. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a mug to remove the lavender flowers and any undissolved spices. 7. Sip the Golden Slumber Latte slowly and enjoy about 30 minutes before bedtime. Why it works. The warmth of the milk can be comforting and relaxing. Milk contains tryptophan, an amino acid that helps in the production of serotonin and melatonin, which are important for sleep regulation. Turmeric contains the active compound curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, promoting relaxation and supporting healthy sleep. Ginger and cinnamon. These spices add flavor and warmth to the drink, while also possessing calming properties that help relax the body. Honey adds a touch of natural sweetness to the drink and may help stabilize blood sugar levels during the night, promoting uninterrupted sleep. Lavender is well known for its calming and relaxing properties, and its scent has been shown to improve sleep quality. As individual responses may vary, it's essential to consider any allergies or sensitivities before trying this recipe. If sleep issues persist, consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Our last home remedy sleep aid is known as the Sweet Dreams Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup of tart cherry juice, preferably Montmorency, 1 cup of fresh or frozen pitted tart cherries, 2 kiwi fruits, peeled and sliced, 1/4 cup of almond milk, unsweetened, 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, unsweetened or lightly sweetened, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, optional, 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a few ice cubes, optional, for added thickness. Instructions: 1. In a blender, combine the tart cherry juice, pitted cherries, kiwi fruits, almond milk, Greek yogurt, almond butter, chia seeds, if using, vanilla extract, and ground cinnamon. 2. Blend the ingredients until smooth and creamy. If you prefer a thicker consistency, add a few ice cubes and blend again. 3. Pour the smoothie into a glass and enjoy it 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. Why it works: both tart cherry juice and whole cherries are rich in melatonin, which can help regulate sleep-wake cycles and improve sleep quality. Kiwi fruit, rich in serotonin and antioxidants, has been linked to improve sleep quality in some studies. Almonds are a natural source of melatonin and contain magnesium, which can help relax muscles and promote sleep. Greek yogurt, a good source of tryptophan, calcium, and protein. Tryptophan is a precursor to serotonin, which is then converted to melatonin. Calcium helps the brain to efficiently utilize tryptophan, and protein provides a sense of satiety. Chia seeds, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and magnesium, which can help promote relaxation and support a healthy sleep cycle. Vanilla extract provides a calming and soothing effect, which may help promote relaxation. Ground cinnamon adds a warm flavor and aroma and may help stabilize blood sugar levels, which can be beneficial for sleep. By combining these ingredients, the Sweet Dream Smoothie supports the body's natural sleep-promoting processes without counteracting one another. The drink is a delicious and convenient way to enjoy a sleep-inducing snack before bedtime. Pumpkin seeds and spirulina can be added to the Sweet Dream Smoothie in a way that works synergistically with the other ingredients. Both pumpkin seeds and spirulina offer additional nutrients that can contribute to relaxation and sleep promotion. Just add 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seeds and 1 teaspoon of spirulina to the above recipe. Why it works: pumpkin seeds are a good source of magnesium, which can help relax muscles and promote sleep. They also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that can be converted to serotonin and then melatonin, which can help regulate sleep-wake cycles. Spirulina is a blue-green algae that is a rich source of nutrients, including B vitamins, iron, and magnesium. B vitamins are essential for energy production and can help support healthy sleep, while magnesium can contribute to relaxation and better sleep quality. By incorporating pumpkin seeds and spirulina into the smoothie, you will be adding more sleep-promoting nutrients that work synergistically with the existing ingredients to support relaxation and a restful night's sleep. Click subscribe and the notification bell to get more videos on the best home remedies and health tips. So there you have it, 5 amazing home remedies to aid getting a restful night's sleep. Our recipes for Moon Milk, Cherry Dream Elixir, Golden Slumber Latte, and Sweet Dream Smoothie can also provide health-boosting benefits when used responsibly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips, and leave us a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Be well and take care.